Welcome! If you want to stay in the loop with the latest Discord updates, enabling update email notifications is the way to go. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to turn on update email notifications in the Discord app on your PC so you never miss important news or feature announcements. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a little gear icon right next to your username. This is the User Settings button. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Now that you're in User Settings, take a look at the menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the available notification options. Within the Notifications section, scroll down until you see Email Notifications. This is where you can control what kinds of emails Discord sends to your inbox. Here, you'll find several options, but for this video, we're focusing on Update Emails. Look for the toggle or checkbox labeled Update Emails. This option is what you want to enable to receive emails about Discord updates, new features, and important announcements. Simply click to enable Update Emails. Once it's turned on, Discord will start sending you emails whenever there's a new update or announcement, so you'll always be among the first to know what's new. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully enabled update email notifications on Discord for PC. This simple change ensures you don't miss out on any new features, policy changes, or exciting announcements from Discord. If you ever want to adjust which emails you receive, you can revisit these settings and customize your preferences at any time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date with everything happening on Discord.